Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. As I'm sure many of you guys saw this week, the new Bronco family was finally revealed to much anticipation and a long wait. And I got in on the action. I was able to reserve a Bronco. We'll talk about it here in a few minutes. But just to review, we have three models. There starts with the Bronco Sport, which is sport utility based off of the Escape platform. A little bit smaller, less rugged. Then we have the two-door Bronco to compete directly with the two-door Wrangler. And then, of course, we have the four-door Bronco to compete with the four-door Wrangler. And honestly, these look a little bit larger than the Wrangler models. We'll have to see how they end up looking in person. But very cool. I like all of them actually. The two-door and four-door larger models look extremely rugged and capable, just as the Wranglers are, locking front and rear differentials. You could get up to 35-inch tires, open top roof, doors off. Very cool. You can also get a 7-speed manual with the 4-cylinder or the 10-speed auto with the V6. Lots of colors, lots of accessory options, and the like. For the Sport, I think it looks great as well. A lot more rugged looking than the Escape, of course, boxier, and it honestly reminds me of the Land Rover when I first saw it. It has the blacked out roof, boxy. I love this color. Rugged inside as well. And it has the tow hooks like my Cherokee Trailhawk. So what did I end up doing? Well, as you guys know, I do have a 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk that I really love. I've had some issues with it, but I still really love that vehicle. It's not as hardcore as a Wrangler, and I do daily drive it, and that's one thing I like about it. It's better on fuel, it's a better ride, it's quieter, handles better, it's faster. All those roadworthy things. I rarely off-road it, and I just don't need a off-road vehicle to drive daily. I decided to reserve a Bronco Sport, the first edition, which in my opinion looks the best. Just to show you here, the first edition is already full. There's only 2,000 available. It gives you some cool features. The black wheels with the largest tires possible. They're like 29.5-inch tires. It gives you the blacked out Bronco badges. It also gives you these black decals along the sides and on the hood, which my Cherokee Trailhawk does have it on the hood. And it comes with this cool black and navy blue interior leather seating. I've always wanted a blue interior. I love blue, as you guys know, in my sports cars. So that's pretty neat. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, which is a must-have for me, and remote start I need for the winters here. It's a really cool combination. It basically gives you all the luxury features and the off-road features of the Badlands edition. And the Badlands has a locking rear differential. Unfortunately, no low range gearing like the Cherokee Trailhawk has, but it does have an off-road suspension, the tow hooks, 7 different terrain settings. But unfortunately, I was poring over the options after I reserved. There are no options on the first edition. It's missing adaptive cruise control in the Copilot Assist 2.0 system. The Badlands edition has it. Every other edition has it except for the first edition, and I cannot figure out why. I even called Ford, and they confirmed it does not come with it. So honestly, I cannot buy a vehicle that doesn't have that technology. I work with Uber self-driving vehicles, and I definitely want that technology. It's as fun to have. It's cool, especially in traffic, and I do have a traffic commute. So I'm going to wait and see. Maybe it is an Air still, but I don't understand why every other model has it. It even has, I can see the radar right here up front, and the Badlands has it in the same spot. So I don't understand why it it doesn't come with that edition. Now, I could step down to the Badlands edition, but I don't like some of the things on it. It does have the white Bronco badge, a different grille, the lighter wheels. You can get the same color. I got the Area 51. This gray blue color is pretty cool. But the interior, you cannot get that black and blue. And I want that. You have to get this brown and black interior, which I'm not a big fan of. But anyway, guys, yeah, so so I reserved one. Not sure I'm going to go through with the order, unfortunately. But tell me what you think of the new Bronco. Also, tell me if you think I made a good choice in the Bronco Sport, or I should wait for something else. Of course, there'll be more models coming out soon. New Jeep Grand Cherokee. I think a new Cherokee should be coming soon as well. I really like the Jeeps, even though I've had some issues with mine. But I think the Jeeps are a little bit nicer interior and more refined vehicles. But anyway, guys, yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching this one. Thanks for the support on the channel. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see you in the next video.